Hi, continuing my series, this is like the 10th video about animals and learning about animals so we can learn to respect and have compassion for them and realize that we are not the only species on this earth and we need to coexist. So for this segment on dinosaurs, we're going to talk about the Brontosaurus and Triceratops. This is part 2. Part 1 was the T-Rex and the woolly mammoth, the big herbivore like the elephant. So the Brontosaurus is part of the Apatosaurus line of dinosaurs. They are gigantic, one of the largest animals to ever roam the earth. And they're herbivores. They don't eat meat or other animals. They were estimated from fossils to be about 75 feet long and weigh about 23 tons. Their bones were found in 1877 first. This was during the Jurassic period that they were estimated to live, and the Jurassic period was about 150 million years ago. It took them about 10 years to grow to their full size. They had very long tails that they used to counter their very long neck. They're the very long necks that they could eat out of trees, fruit out of trees, leaves, all sorts of items. They remind me of the giraffe, except the giraffe were a little bit shorter and taller, whereas the stegosaurus seemed like it had a long body. So think of a giraffe though. They are one of the largest animals to ever roam this planet, and they were plant-based. Brontosaurus. Now the Triceratops, they were from the late Cretaceous period. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. Cretaceous period, which was about 6.5 million years ago, opposed to the Jurassic period, which was like about 150 million years ago. They were thought to be extinct about 60 million years ago. I'm sorry, correction. And they were one of the last dinosaurs to live on this earth. They're similar to the rhinoceros. If you look at a rhinoceros and a triceratops, they look a little similar. And rhinoceroses are actually endangered today, like the elephants. They're poached for their ivory or tusks. And human overpopulation has been decimating their habitats from deforestation and many other problems. The Triceratops has 3 horns on the top and a solid shield, kind of like a coat of armor. They are actually considered lizards, and the actual plates on their backs are about 4 by 4 feet, and they actually are part of the skin. They're not attached to the actual vertebrae or bone structure. Now, the fossils have found them to be in groups. So that means they traveled or lived in herds because they found fossils in smaller areas together. So they were sociable creatures. And like the Brontosaurus, the Triceratops were also herbivores. So many dinosaurs and some of the biggest animals on Earth are herbivores. So you can check out veganbodybuilding.com, actually some of the biggest humans and our closest relatives, the gorilla, which I did a video on earlier, comparing it to humans, and talking about that. They are actually herbivores as well, and they have a big canine. So some of our closest relatives and some of the biggest creatures are herbivores, and some of the best and biggest athletes of humans. veganbodybuilding.com. So, be a superhero to animals. Here's my shirt from my old motorcycle that was covered in Meat is Murder stickers. Save lives daily. And look up a factory farm video like meatvideo.com. And be a superhero. Save over 37 land animals per year. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed learning about the dinosaurs, Brontosaurus and Triceratops. Part 1 of my video was on the T-Rex and woolly mammoth. So thank you, and please share your thoughts. Look up a factory farm video, meatvideo.com by Mercy for Animals. Thank you.